had it, bro.
He has it.
I think she choked this one.
And we have a little tournament going on between us three. Most fish of the day, we're not doing by weight or size. Just going with whoever catches the most. And so far, Pansons in the lead.
Yeah, I do. Hey, she smells fishy.
Does she? Oh, damn, dude, it's gone.
Yeah, she swallowed the shit out of it.
No, it's gone. Wait, I can't see no hook. I can't get this out.
I do, but it's like super long. Like.
No, that's cool. Yeah, in the grass. Yep.
Stuffed in that shit.
Dude, it's gone, way. There's no hook in there. You're gonna have to release her like that, way. I mean, unless you want to keep it. Let's keep her.
You want to keep it? Keep it. Go ahead.
No, you want to keep it, way?
Nah, I don't eat fish.
Should be alright.
Yeah, should be alright.
Swallow regardless.
All right, guys. Pansons first fish of the day. 1-1-0. My bad, bro. Were you gonna take a picture?
No.
Oh, I thought you said hold up.
No.
All right. Right.
I mean, yeah, Dad. I didn't bring no more flukes though.
I got some of those green pumpkin purple.
Chunk on there. Yeah, that's what I got. What about a hook, way? I didn't bring my terminal.
I got you.
I didn't bring nothing. Nothing in there.
Too big?
You got a fucking EDW? I'm about to pick up that dude.
All right, guys. Fish number 3. So far now I'm in the lead. How much time do we even have left? Oh, 3. Or we're stopping at 12:30 or 12. Fish number 3 for me. Jonathan's on with his first fish of the day now too. So now me and Jonathan are tied and Pansons up 1. You're about to be down 4. It's the confidence I need now. I need the fish to back it up. Yes, sir. Guys, Jonathan done caught his second fish already. 2-2-1. You haven't touched it yet. Yes, sir. Jonathan 2, Pansons 2, JD 3. I caught him. Y'all just didn't see him. Batteries did. All right, guys. Pansons in his 3rd fish.
Hold on.
Make it look bigger. It's the arm stretch. So yeah, now it's 3-3-2. Jonathan's stealing my Senko to tie him on now also. Fish number 5 for Pansons. I'm still at 3. Jonathan had 1 break off on the boat, so he's still at 2. Nice one, bro. Very nice one. How deep is that jerkbait going, Jonathan?
It's like a little.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, the little, what are they called? Lipless. All right, guys, fish number 6. Got it while it was eating the salad. Oh, son of a.
Nah.
I touched it. I just.
Nah, I never saw it.
You saw the fish. All right, that was fish number 6, but I guess we're back at 5. Yes, sir. It's number 8.
Yeah.
5, 6, 8. Wow. I'm the one with 8. Fish number 4 for Jonathan. And he got the JD special.
JD special right there.
So now Pansons and Jonathan are beating me. Jonathan beating me by 1, Pansons by 2. Boom. Fish number 4 for me. Same size, bro. Pansons, fish number 6 off a swimbait. Wait till I see that swimbait. Hey, look at that. Fish number 6 off the bass colored. What is that again? Depths?
Yeah.
A Depths bass colored glide bait.
Literally almost the same size as
Yeah.
Jonathan.
He's been getting hit on it all day.
Jonathan.
But they never actually pinned. Until now.
So you know what a fish looks like.
This guy. funny.
First one's cool.